Our interest and emphasis on consumer protection is fairly recent, only in the last few years. Even though we've been working for 20-some years in microfinance, at the beginning we saw little need for consumer protection. We weren't doing any damage. There wasn't anywhere to protect the consumers from. But just the fact of more entrants, more organizations, more banks selling products to the poor, and the increased competition means that consumers have now the option to borrow multiple loans. We don't have the systems in place to confirm if they have already too much debt from other organizations. So we end up giving a third or a fourth or a seventh loan to these clients, and they get into a situation where a percentage of them are unable to pay those loans. That does damage not only to the consumer who took advantage of borrowing too much, it does serious damage to the institutions that gave those loans, and we end up with a potential of a cascading effect.